In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a cent account on HFM and use it to learn your strategies, especially as a beginner. So a cent account is an account that you trade in cents and not the standard or regular dollars. Okay, so what that helps you is that even with a small amount of money such as 10 US dollars, you can trade with it, because that 10 US dollars, when converted to cents, you are having 1000 cents. And with that 1000 cents, you can take trades close to 200 trades, 400 trades, 500 trades, and that account will still be intact because you are using cents. But it also depends on the lot sizes that you are going to be entering. So the regular standard account, where 0.01 lot size on asset such as GBP USD will be giving you $10 when price moves in your favor every 1 pip movement. So if price moves 2 pips, you are getting $20. But for a cent account, that same one lot is just like as if you are entering a 0.01 lot size. Okay, so I am going to show you how to create this type of account and then how you can begin trading with it. So you are going to go to your HFM app. I have it here at the top. You are now going to click and you log into it. So here is our HFM app. You are going to come over to your menu here at the lower left hand corner. Click on it. Then you are going to see the option of my wallet. Click on it. Then you have the live account. So a cent account is a type of account that is also live, is real, is not a demo account. Any amount of money you make from a cent account, you can withdraw it as well. Okay, so you come over to this live account and click. Then you will see this open trading account. Click on open trading account. So there are different types of accounts that HFM provides for you. You can see they have the premium account under the superior account, and they have other accounts that are like bonus. So anything you place in this, they will give you a bonus for it. That's not what we are after. So come over to the superior account and select from here the cent account. So the good thing about HFM cent account is that it's available for you to trade with it on MT5 and also available for you on MT4. So whichever platform that you are used to it, you can get it on it. There are some brokers that they only provide a cent account on MT4, whereas some will only provide it on MT5. But the good thing about HFM cent account is that it is both available for MT5 and MT4. So you can see it here. Now we are going to select it. Click to select. And the leverage that you will have on the cent account is up to times 2000, as you can see it here. They don't charge commissions on it, but the spread, they're a bit wide for me. Then swap is free, so it is also good for you if you are going to be trading it as a swing trader, which means you can hold your trades overnight for even 1 month. Nothing will happen. They will not charge you any fee, because if the swap was not free, any day that you hold a trade, there are some little charges that may add up, especially if you hold a trade for 2 months. So after selecting the cent account, click on continue. So it is here that you are going to select whether you want it for MT5 or MT4. But I love MT5, so I am selecting the MT5. And they have told you all Forex pairs are available with gold. They don't have crypto on their own cent account, and they don't have other commodities or stocks. So what you will be getting on this cent account is just purely Forex pairs and gold. Even silver is not available on it. Whether you choose the MT5 or MT4, they don't have silver, they don't have other commodities, and other metals. Okay, so if you have selected the MT5, you are going to click continue. Leverage 1 to 1000 is the default setting, but I prefer you change it to the maximum that you can get, which is 1 to 2000. That will help you that even with 10 cents in your account, you can still open a trade. And I'm going to show you how you can do that when we connect it to our MT5. So you are going to nickname your account. Just for you to know what name is it, you can just say my practice account, so you can use it to test your strategies. So instead of testing your strategies on a demo account, you can use a real account like a cent account where emotions are attached, and see how you will react if price is going against you or in your favor. So you will use a cent account for that, to test your strategies, to backtest your strategies, whether it is moving well or not. So I am nicknaming it my practice account. Then you are going to enter your password. This password is the password that you are going to use it to connect to MT5. So do remember it should be different from just the password that you have whenever you are creating a HFM account. It's different, and it should be between 8 to 12 characters with at least upper and lower case letters, at least a number, and any of these special characters. So I will enter my password, then we will continue. So now you have a space for introducing broker ID or campaign ID. So in this space, you are going to add, if you are referred by someone, they get a little commission for referring you to HFM. So just like I am also referring you to HFM, if you are interested in getting HFM account that you can use as your cent account, you can use my ID, and in return I get a little commission. But if you don't, it's not a must. Okay, so I am going to enter my ID, and it's purely numbers. So you can enter the number, which is 30438048. Okay, I will paste the link in the description box. So when you are done, you are going to click on open account. So for the purpose of this video, I am just showing you my ID. Okay, but I can't refer myself, so I will just click this. Now if you don't want, it's not a must, you will not include the ID. When you are done, click on open account. So your trading account was created successfully. So the credentials for connecting your account to MT5 will be sent to your email. So let's head over to the email. So this is the email that they will send to you. You are going to copy this account number. That is what you will use as your login number, and the password was that password that we use for creating this account. And then our server is going to be HF Markets Global Live 4. That is our server. So having all of this, we will head over to MT5 to connect our account. In MT5, you come to the top left hand corner here and click on it. Then go to manage accounts and click on it. Then you are going to click this plus sign that is at the upper right hand corner. Then we are going to search for HF Markets. So this is HF Markets Global. That is what I am going to use. So when it is loaded, we are going to click the login and paste this login. And our server, click to select whichever server that is given to you. So our own is Live 4. The password was the password I used while creating the account. So I will enter the password. So when you are done, click on login. So you can see we have been connected to our account, and you will see that the nickname is there, which is my practice account. And when we come to the quotes, you will see all the things that are available for you to trade. You can click this plus sign to add them. Go to the Forex cent. Going to the Forex will not allow you to trade. It's only that of the cents, and even when you come to metals, it's only gold that you have with euro and gold with US dollars. So you can come to the Forex cent and add any one that you want to add to your quotes by adding and clicking these plus signs. They will be added to your quotes. After that, go back, and when you scroll down, you see all of them have been added to your quotes. I can click and hold this, go to the chart. So the good thing about a cent account is that you can begin trading with it even with the smallest amount of money that you have. Okay, you see in this particular point, if I'm to take a trade here and set my stop loss here down at this last low, is going to just be 5 cents. Look at it here, it's just 5 cents if I'm to take a trade here with a lot of 0.01. So in a regular account, you would have been using $5, but in a cent account, it's just 5 cents. It's not up to 0.1 US dollars. Okay. So if I was to increase the lot size to 0.1, it's just 53 cents, which is like half of a dollar, $0.5. Okay. Look at it. This will be the risk, $0.5. If I was to enter this trade right now at this particular level and set my stop loss here, that is it. But in a regular account, if you are to open this lot size of 0.1, you will be risking about $50. You are risking $50 for this. But for a cent account with 0.1 lot, the way you are seeing it here, you are just risking 50 cents. 50 cents. Okay. And even if you enter one lot, this is like 500 cents, which is the same thing as $5. Okay, from here to here. But one lot on a regular account, you would have been risking $500 on this particular trade. So you can see how using a cent account helps you to risk less, and even with a small amount of money such as $5, you can practice a lot with it. Okay, so this was how to create a cent account on HFM. If you have any question regarding this, just let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.